If you're experiencing approval delays in Gmail, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to streamline the approval process. Step 1. Check spam and promotions folders. Sometimes important emails can end up in spam or promotions folders. Make sure to check these folders for any misapproval requests and move them to your inbox if necessary. Step 2. Adjust email filters. Review your email filters to ensure that they are not inadvertently directing approval emails to other folders. Modify or remove any filters that may be causing delays in receiving these emails. Step 3. Verify email addresses. Ensure that the email addresses of the approvers are correct. A simple typo can prevent emails from being sent or received. Double check the addresses and resend any necessary requests. Step 4. Resend approval requests. If you suspect that the original approval requests were not received, consider resending them. This can help prompt the approvers to take action and reduce delays. Step 5. Communicate directly. If delays persist, reach out to the approvers directly via phone or chat. A quick conversation can clarify any issues and expedite the approval process. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve approval delays in Gmail and ensure a smoother workflow.